How to make. You'll need paper, preferably cardstock, scissors, glue any but hot glue is best, ruler. Let's start. Cut out a 1" by 4" piece of paper. Fold it in half hamburger style P. With the fold to the left, fold it hot dog style. Fold both sides over in a triangle shape. Open it up. Cut the corners of the bottom end. Watch and learn. Now open it up the rest of the way. Fold the edges so they all face the same direction. Now let's make a place for our fingers to grip. Cut out 2 thin strips of paper. Wrap one around your pointer. Glue it into a ring shape that fits. Cut off any excess. Repeat the same process for your thumb. Now glue one ring to each city of the mouth. Glue the ends together. Slide your thumb into the bottom and pointer on top. And there you have your base. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. We're already halfway to 1K subs.